Land survey company in Marathahalli, Bangalore. Have you ever heard about SCON design? It is a revolutionary technology that has transformed the land surveying industry. With SCON design, land surveying has become much easier, faster, and more accurate than ever before. The use of SCON design in land surveying has made it possible to identify potential problems and plan for efficient land use. The SCON design software has become an indispensable tool for land surveyors. With SCON design, land surveyors can now work much faster and more efficiently than ever before. The use of SCON design in land surveying has opened up new possibilities for designing and planning land development projects. It has also helped in reducing errors and the need for rework. In conclusion, SCON design has revolutionized the land surveying industry. Its use has enabled us to gather accurate data and create detailed maps of the land with precision and speed. With SCON design, land surveyors can now work much faster and more efficiently than ever before, making it an indispensable tool for the industry. Thanks for watching.